A squared plus b squared equal to 500. We want to find a and b are integers, all possible values of a, b. So first let's consider something. If a is even, if a is odd. If a is even, a is 2q. So a squared is 4q squared. We can write it, so 4q squared, k, 4k. K is 2. If a is odd, if a is 2q plus 1. So a squared is 2q plus 1 squared, which is 2q plus 1 times 2q plus 1. 2q times 2q, 4q squared. 2q plus 2q, 4q plus 1. If we factor from 4, it will be 4q squared plus q plus 1. And it will be 4k plus 1. So we can say that remainder when divided by 4 is 0 or 1. Now we have what? We have a squared plus b squared equal to 500. Plus b squared equal to 500. If we consider the remainder when divided by 4 is 0, 1 is 0, 1 is 0. So the only possible case is 0, 0. So we conclude a and b should be even. So a is 2a1 and b is 2b1. Then we can conclude a squared plus b squared equal to 2a1 squared plus 2b1 squared equal to 4a1 squared plus 4b1 squared equal to 500. Now, if we divide both sides by 4, then a1 squared plus b1 squared equal to 100. a1, b1 are integers. Let's divide by 4. 500 when divided by 4 is 1 to 5. Now, in this case, we should try to find all possible cases to reach 1 to 5. So, let's check all of them in next page. a1 squared plus b1 squared equal to 1 to 5. So, we will switch at the end, and let's consider, for example, the maximum one, 1 to 1. 4 is good, 11 squared, 10 squared, 125. It's another case, 81 and 19, 25, 39, 44. It's not good. The next one, 81, is 8 squared, 64. It will be 61. It's not again good, and all cases are this. So from this case, we can say a1, b1 plus minus 11 plus minus 4, and you can switch. Plus minus 4 plus minus 11, then you have 8 answers for this. The next one, 100, you can say plus minus 10, plus minus 5, plus minus 5, plus minus 10. And AB, then we want to find AB. A and B are twice A1 and B1 because of this part. So if we write, it will be plus minus 22, plus minus 8, plus minus 8, plus minus 22, plus minus 10, plus minus, sorry, let's multiply by 2, plus minus 20, plus minus 10, plus minus 10, plus minus 20. And if you check a squared plus b squared, for first case, 22 squared plus 8 squared, it will be 484 plus 64. Sorry, that's the reason I say always check. Here, let's erase when it is b1 squared is 4, it should be 2. So let me correct. 2 here. So it should be 4, 4. Let me correct it. Plus minus 20 plus minus Here it's 2, here it's 2, here it's 4, here it's 4. So a squared, b squared for first case. 22 squared plus 4 squared. 22 squared is 484. 4 squared is 16, which is 500. So it's okay. Also it's okay. The next one, a squared plus b squared is 20 squared plus 10 squared, which will be 400 plus 100. And it is equal to 500. Again, it's okay. So this one are okay. So we found, let me tell you, for each of them, we can say 2 times 2, 4 answers. So there are 16 answers for AM. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks, bye.